Hello, and welcome to another video. With the lockdown period virtually on its end, gradually the gyms have been opening up, and most of you would be back to your old workout regime. It calls to make a video on the top 8 things not to do in a gym. And you know who you are. From skipping 80% of the range of motion to being that creepy stalker, I'll be mentioning all of them in today's video. It is a light-hearted mockery of every kind of person you shall meet at the gym, so cheer up. Don't take it in a personal manner. Watch the video till the end to not be that annoying person at the gym that everyone tries to avoid. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and do share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Number 8. The incher. As gym goers call them, are the ones who load up the barbell with every weight nearby, and when it comes to the actual squat or bench press, they just perform half the rep. Do not be that guy. If you seriously want to start noticing gains, complete the rep. Take the muscle through its entire range of motion while withstanding the resistance, and I assure you, changes will become noticeable. Come on, I know that it's a gym and not a library. But some of you out there love screaming for no good reason. Energy and enthusiasm are good, although the advice you are ready to throw at everybody else seems a bit shaken and overconfident. Number 6. Okay, this one is a real bummer. The social media star. I'm sure you guys know who I am talking about, the guy who spends most of his time clicking pictures at the mirror rather than lifting weights and working out. I mean, I understand that the gym lighting is perfect, and gourmetable interiors with the best types of equipment, but do all that once you have finished training. Don't get distracted and extend your workout period unnecessarily. Number 5. The starers. Now on to the stalkers of the gym. I feel bad for all the women out there, training hard in the gym when these repulsive guys start creeping up on you. If these guys focused more on their training, they wouldn't have been as repulsive to others. Number 4. The supplement store guy. We all know this one guy, who will carry around 20 supplement jars and multivitamin tablets along with him. His pre, post, and intra-workout shake, he doesn't miss hypertrophy on even one shred of his muscles. He is also the one who will try to sell you all kinds of supplements, good, bad, and ugly. So beware. Number 3. Moving to more important points that you guys should take care of while training. Do not listen to half-witted overconfident people in the gym professing on which split to follow for best muscle growth. From the splits to push-pull legs are all tried and tested splits. Everybody is different, so one type of split might work for one but not work for the other. It is up to you to try out each split for a month and see which suits you the best. Number 2. Next, stretching and warming up. I cannot stress further how necessary warming up your muscles is before you start working out. A simple stretch, not for too long, and a light warm-up has several benefits such as elevating your heartbeat and also preventing several injuries. Of course, this is not to be confused with static stretching. Do not perform static stretches before working out. It leads to muscle fatigue and will eventually decrease your performance in the gym manifold. Static stretching has several benefits when done at the right time in the right way. Number 1. Finally, a pro tip. Do not train your smaller muscle groups beforehand. Always begin your workouts with compound exercises. Compound exercises are the ones that utilize more than one muscle group, bench press, squats, deadlifts, etc. Once it is done, then start targeting each muscle for better growth. For example, training calves before performing the squat, on leg day, will subsequently reduce your reps and your performance. Take care, train hard, and start getting into the best shape of your life. Signing off. Comment down below with your gym experience and suggestions for videos.